Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to buy gift cards with PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the paypal.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Of course, alternatively, you can also go and log in going to the App Store or go to the Google Play Store and download the application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already haven't. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. We have the home, send, wallet, activity and help options. We have the send and request. And of course guys, as you can see, we have some other options here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy gift cards with PayPal. Well, of course, online purchase, visit the PayPal digital gift card store, where you can choose from a range of e-gift cards. Select the desired gift card and the value you'd like to load onto it. If you're buying it for someone else, enter their email address, your name and short message, then log into PayPal to complete your purchase. You have the e-gifter, where you can use PayPal to gift cards to egifter.com or throughout the e-gifter mobile app. Or we have the online retailers. Explore online retailers that offer a wide selection of gift cards. These can be delivered instantly via email or a physical card through email delivery. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.